When you are going to send a photo from your computer via WhatsApp, before sending it, you will enter an editor. In this editor, in addition to being able to crop or rotate the photo, you will also be able to do other things like add text, emojis, or stickers. You will even be able to paint over the photo with a brush, which can help highlight a specific part or make a mark. When you finish, you can send it. The first thing you have to do is enter the conversation you want in WhatsApp for desktop and choose the option to send photos. For that, you have to click on the option to send files, which appears to the left of the text box with the icon of a clip. When the options are displayed, you choose the one of photos and videos. When you choose the photo, you will go directly to the WhatsApp photo editor for computer. In this editor, you will see the preview of the photo, and at the top you have the buttons for everything you can do. Below that, you may see options related to the option you have chosen, such as the colors if you choose the pencil to draw. These are the available options from left to right. Emoji. You can choose and put emojis on the photo as stickers, resizing them and putting them wherever you want. Sticker. You can choose and put the stickers you have in WhatsApp on the photo as stickers, changing their size and placing them wherever you want. Text. You can add a text to the photo, which by default will appear inside a text box. You can choose the text color, the font you want to use, and the background you want to put on it. You can paint on the photo with the mouse. You can choose the color of the brush and the size you want the brush to be. Crop and rotate. You can crop the photo to choose which part to send and rotate it to your liking. Undo and redo. You can undo the last change that you have applied with the editor in the photo, or redo it again. Then you just have to edit the photo as you want and send it. The person you send it to will receive it as it has been after the changes you have made. They will not see the original. At the moment, this can only be done with photos, but not with videos.